Hello. In this little video we're going to look at our Smartboard tools a little closer. For right now, if you can follow along maybe, go ahead and open up that Smartboard software, which is this little icon right there. And if you don't see this floating Smartboard tools, which normally are on the left side or wherever you parked them, you can see that it shows, this is a toggle, it will say show floating tools or hide the floating tools. So go ahead and click that show floating tools if this is not open. And then from here you can move this board out by grabbing this and moving it around, or you can use the forward and backward arrows to bring it out from the side of the screen, like so. Down here in the settings, you can customize what goes into this toolbar. So go ahead and click that open. And over here you'll see lots of tools that you can add to this toolbar, and like it says, you can add or remove the items by dragging them to or from the toolbar. So if we want, for instance, this area capture tool to be included on our toolbar, we just move it over here, and when it becomes a plus sign, drop it in there, and there we have it. And now it becomes a resident part of that toolbar. There's other really cute things that you can add in there if you tend to use some of these things frequently, like the spotlight. Go ahead and throw that in there. Or the screen shade. That's another fun one. We're going to put the screen shade in here. I think that's about it that we're going to do for right now. And we're going to say done. So now there's our tools. And they're there until you change them again. So after that, let's look at this area capture. Let's click on this tool. It comes up with this little crosshaired pointer, and you click and draw and drag across the screen and then release, and it will save in InkNotes. This is the software Smart Notebook that's launching. Now they're telling me that the image size is pretty good for the screen size, so we're going to optimize it. And what you'll see now is that Smart Notebook software that's open, and it's actually captured what I told it to capture. You can turn this, you can expand it a little, you can move it, but that's basically how you do that. So I'm going to close this down for a minute. Okay, this is the cursor tool up here. If you need to get off of one of these other tools, this is the tool that you will use to do that with. We kind of went over the pen tools earlier. The spotlight tool is kind of cool. This happens to be a star right now, and we can move this around or make it bigger. You can change the shape of this to an ellipse. You can pull them out. You can focus in. If we had something on the screen right at the minute, let's just open, exit this minute, and we'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's pull up that tool again. Okay, here you can really focus and emphasize on something that you're working with on the screen. You can change the transparency so you can see more of the screen behind, and the shape. You can make it a rectangle. Change that. It's a pretty cool little tool.